Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to unlink your Microsoft account from your PS5 in 2025. So step 1, power on your PS5 and go to your home screen. Step 2, open the settings, then scroll down and select users and accounts. Step 3, under the linked services section, choose Microsoft. Step 4, select the option to unlink account. Step 5, you will be asked to confirm. After that, you will press OK or confirm to proceed. Step 6, once unlinked, you will receive a confirmation prompt and your Microsoft account will be disconnected from your PS5. So this process removes access to Microsoft services like Minecraft Crossplay or Game Pass feature on PlayStation. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.